We are looking for solutions in cancer. So practically we are working mainly of how the cancer is growing and developed on a patient. So eventually the connecting link which is responsible for the recurrence of the disease, the metastases, the resistance to the therapy, is involved in the field of liquid biopsy entities like the circulated tumor cells. So this is what actually makes us interest more where we should focus our effort. So focusing only on the primary tumor is by definition not sufficient to treat a systemic disease. Safely we could say that we contribute to the cutting edge of this field of liquid biopsy. RGCC has been established since 2004, May 2004, as a very small and tiny laboratory working in the field of liquid biopsy, which at that time it was something completely unknown, if not even existed. And then gradually we invest a lot on the establishment, on adapting new technologies, on training personnel on new technologies. We start with the first laboratory facilities in Greece, but now we have already 3 laboratory facilities beside Greece. We have in Germany, and we have in India, and we have several distributors and collaborators around the world, so practically we cover the whole globe. The laboratory is growing with the knowledge and with the establishment of our own contribution to that knowledge as well. Just to give you an example, at the beginning liquid biopsy was something like a fairy tale at that time, but we were working in this area which is considered as a taboo or even not existed, and gradually now it's something that it's very well established in the field. There's no 100% test in the world, so not even close to that number. So there's no such an analytic method which will give us all the answers. And everyone talks these days about personalized medicine. The complexity of the disease and the heterogeneity of patients makes personalized medicine highly demanded if we want to treat cancer properly. You cannot treat all patients even with the same type of cancer with the same protocol. We know that cancer is highly heterogenic. The patients are different from the genetic phenotype point of view. So how you expect a single treatment will cure cancer? So these demand a lot of knowledge, a lot of information. This is what RGCC is all about, is creating innovation and methodologies so that you will obtain the necessary information to make decisions for the proper treatment. No one can foresee for sure what the future reveals to us, but I can tell you only what I hope RGCC will become. I hope that it will continue the innovative work in the field of cancer, and as well as to more involved in developing new therapeutic agents. So we are already in that field, but I wish not to stay in the already patented molecules, but also to make it even available to the public in near future. Also, we must not forget that there is also a new field in the area of treatment, which is called, at least in Europe, advanced therapeutic medicinal products, which are not drugged with the very strict term as we know it. So, for example, we have treating cells derived from patients. We have new biomolecules, pretty much similar like the antibodies. So we are even involved in this field, and we hope that these more new and more targeted ways of treatment will be more efficient in the near future. So this is our goal for the time being.